Hi, this is Krista Stefani. This training module will walk you through and provide you with guidance on how to complete the Direct Support Contracted tab of the State of Nebraska's Department of Health and Human Services Aged and Disabled Waiver and Past Services Cost Survey. On this specific tab, we are looking to collect information related to direct support professionals who are contracted with the agency to provide services. These are not employees of your agency, rather they provide a contracted role and serve the individuals who are receiving services underneath the waiver. What we are asking you to complete on this tab is to identify the contracted position. We do have a pre-populated list, which is the same list that is included on the Direct Support Employee tab, or you may type in your own description. If you would like to refer or have some additional guidance onto what each of these positions entail, please refer to the table at the bottom of the Direct Support Employee tab. Please complete this information by position. You do not have to complete it by individual contracted position. So if you had more than one contracted chore worker, you will complete this information as a total for the contracted services. So let's say that you had contracted services and paid $50,000 to somebody to provide chore services. You have hours. What we are also asking you to indicate is the percent of time that contractor spent providing services to the services in the titles above. For this example, we are assuming that your agency provides assisted living, respite, non-medical transportation, and has other non-waiver services. As you can see, prior to me entering in an amount for the non-waiver services, there is a message that states that the sum of the percentages in that row do not equal 100. Please ensure that the totals in each row equal 100 to allow for allocation of the full expense of contracted expense. Once you enter in the contracted expense and hours and the percent of services related to each service, you will see that this percentage will populate, or the an allocated expense will populate related to each service. To determine the percentage of time, you may want to reach back out and ask the chore worker who, or the contracting agency, for an estimate of the percent of time of services they spent, or you may be able to utilize billing records to help assist with providing that information as well. We thank you for your time that you are taking to complete this cost survey and for viewing these training modules.